Welcome back. Today's Medical Moment is sponsored by Spectrum Health. Spectrum Health Rehab and Nursing Centers have been providing services in West Michigan for 20 plus years. With multiple centers in the area, Spectrum Health Continuing Care delivers integrated health care for a seamless patient experience. The team is looking for registered nurses and licensed practical nurses who may be eligible to receive, get this, up to $5,000 in bonuses. Here to tell us more is Lynn Ring, Senior Director of Clinical Excellence at Spectrum Health Continuing Care. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Thank you.
Absolutely. So what is Spectrum Health Continuing Care?
Spectrum Health Continuing Care is a combination of multiple areas that provide care primarily outside of the hospital setting. Some of those areas that it includes is hospice, visiting nurse association, and our rehab and nursing centers. And with our rehab and nursing centers, there are multiple locations. They provide rehabilitation and nursing care for shorter stays after medical conditions such as strokes, or after surgeries, or after other traumatic accidents, as well as providing long-term care.
So let's go ahead and talk about how Spectrum Health supports its team members.
Yeah, Spectrum Health offers multiple emotional and mental health support programs for team members that may be experiencing tough times or significant life changes in addition to daily life struggles. They offer The Source, Encompass, Headspace, and Care.com for team members that might be needing support with childcare or elder care or even pet care. And we have many professional development opportunities. There's multiple offerings for continuing education. There's tuition reimbursement programs along with other apprenticeship programs. And then one program we started is our Unit A to Certified Nursing Assistant program, where you can start your career in a clinical field with no experience and get paid to move into a certified nursing assistant role. It doesn't stop there. We've also celebrated those that even continue their education supported by Spectrum Health to become LPN and RN.
I mean, that list is already pretty impressive, but I'm seeing a big number on the screen. I saw $5,000. Tell us more about that.
Yeah, so along with our wonderful benefits, including competitive paid time off and growth opportunities, our CNAs, LPNs, and RNs at Continuing Care are eligible to receive up to $5,000 in bonuses.
Wow, amazing. All right, so let's talk about you a little bit. Why do you choose to continue to work for Spectrum Health?
Yeah, I have worked at Spectrum Health for over 28 years. The initial 20 years were in a hospital setting in the emergency department. But most recently, I transitioned to Spectrum Health Continuing Care. And I chose Continuing Care after a family member was riding a bike and was struck by a car. So after his month in the ICU, he needed extensive rehab and needed some home care. And that really opened my awareness to many great services that Spectrum Health offers to our community outside of the hospital setting.
Well, thank you so much for what you do and for everybody does at Spectrum Health. This is a great opportunity for everybody. We need to let everybody know how they can go ahead and learn a little bit more about this opportunity that's out there.
Yeah, to apply or learn more, go to www.spectrumhealth.org, campaigns, continuing care careers.
All right. Thank you so much for your time this morning.
Yes, thank you.
Absolutely. If you want to go ahead and learn a little bit more, we'll make sure to get this on Fox 17morningmix.com a little later this morning.